Hi, I'm Peter with Leslie Swimming Pool Supplies, and this video will teach you how to get rid of scale in your pool. Scaling occurs when calcium deposits are left on the pool surfaces after water has evaporated. This leaves a line of scale around the edge of your pool that can be difficult to remove. Here are some ways you can fight scale in your pool. A pumice stone can be used on ceramic tile or concrete surfaces. When using a pumice stone, make sure to keep both the stone and the surface you are cleaning wet at all times to prevent scratching. A stain eraser not only works on stains, but on light calcium deposits as well. And Leslie's Stain and Scale 2 is safe for all surfaces. This chemical is added to the water slowly to wear away the stains. It can also help prevent calcium from coming out of suspension in your water. If you have any other questions about scale, call or visit your local Leslie store. For more videos and pool care tips, visit our website.